Wagwan my people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. You know say I your girl over here saw the cookie lily, yeah, and today we are gonna cook some shrimp. Actually 10 story in a one, guys. Actually my side man called me and saying feed for some shrimp, and him know say me can cook it good, so yeah, him just buy me 2 bags of shrimp and him beg me cook the curry shrimp. What you think about that, guys? Me should I really did cook it, but you know say me I go cook it because I love shrimp, so yeah, me never bother tell him no. But anyway, me not like child people business, but Jesus Christ, I want make Alicia came rub out boo, so Alicia ain't afraid boo art. Remember say boo not so young, you know. You rub out the man, me I tell you say you rub out boo. Boo, please leave Alicia alone. As far as me concerned, them say you file for divorce. Move on, boo, move on. Jesus Christ. Alicia, you rub out the man. And really, boo, you did really want Alicia use your picnic, your son sperm for produce picnic and say I feel your picnic, but your grand picnic that. How can I mix up that, boo? No, man. No, sir. Anyway, me can't bother with people business. Back to the curry shrimp, yeah, people. Back to the curry shrimp. Make us season up the shrimp. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you know the drill already. You're supposed to wash your shrimp them properly, vinegar, lime, whatever. So now we just gonna season the shrimp, and I'm using uncooked shrimp, guys. I don't really like cook the pre-cooked shrimp. So it's cooking from scratch. So you know I'm gonna use like my all-purpose Maggi. I'm gonna use some black pepper, I'm gonna put some pimento seed, I'm gonna use some garlic powder, I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper, I'm gonna use black pepper because you know me like it spicy. Okay, and I'm gonna use little basil in it as well, just to bring up, yeah, I like basil. So that's basically how I season my shrimp. I'm not really putting no salt in it, kind of the season I'm kind of already salty, so I never really add no salt to it as yet. Okay, and yeah, most people maybe not use masala, but you know me love masala, so me gonna add a little tubs of masala, not a lot. Yeah, me like the masala and the curry taste, so you know me gonna use better pack curry. Yeah, some of us use the masala for just, yeah, heighten the curry flavor. I like masala. Yeah, guys, and you know, so we're not cook through a curry pan with meat. Yeah, we burn the curry in the pot first. You know the process. All who know for cook and cook curry. Yeah, so everything well seasoned up now and blem up. So we are gonna burn the curry and all these things. But before we get into the burn curry part, you know, we have to chop up with regular season like with onion, garlic, thyme, scallion. You know the whole works, and you know we have to add little coconut powder in it. So today me I use Grace Sheep. Yeah, so the Grace coconut powder me I gonna use. I could have bother grate in a coconut. Well, my mother never grate in a coconut, not me. Me blend up coconut, me can't bother grate it. So yeah, we are gonna add a little coconut. So we are gonna cut up the rest of the seasoning them. And you know say you have to have garlic. You know me can't cook it without garlic. Garlic is a must in everything me I cook. So people, just make sure una wash everything una use. Make you wash the things them. Okay, me might not wash my one pan camera right now, but me know some of una love say you don't wash it sitting them. Yes, them wash. Yeah, them wash before, and yeah, that's how me do it. So right now me just gonna cut up the onion, I just cut them in a some little, some nice like a bite size. I like onion, and I like chop my onion them too. So that's all me I chop them. So you gotta chop up your scallion and your thyme and all these things. All of them something is a must in our pot. Jamaican pot well seasoned up already. So if you're one of them people there, like my sister-in-law, when I really like onion, but you like maybe the flavor, you can just dice up your onion, just dice it fine. Yes, so by the time everything cook, it don't cook out. So you barely are gonna even see no onion. Okay guys, so yeah. Me say guys, me really love sweet pepper, and the sweet pepper you don't have a little buzz in a this but boy me I tell you, me can't afford sweet pepper. Right now in Jamaica, sweet pepper are for the rich. Yeah, the rich and famous, them alone can buy sweet pepper. Me can't afford not even half pound of sweet pepper. So right now, this I go along without the sweet pepper, can me not buy it. No sir. So if you watch any of my previous video, you know say I saw me do my time. Me not like no bag of time stick in my food for come choke me up. Time stick almost choke me. I already turned cross where me throat, and it wasn't a pretty sight. So yeah, from then and there, me just I saw me do my time. Me just have to just take off the time leaf them and dash with the stick. Yeah, people prevention better than cure. Trust me upon that. Right, that's just everything chop up, yeah, nicely chopped. So me I go beat bad mine out of the garlic, yeah. I don't know how you do your garlic, I saw me do mine. So me just make sure it wash properly. Again, me say wash, wanna use. Wash, wanna use. Okay. So guys, I think me use about 6 peg of garlic. Yeah, about 6 or so. Yeah, 6 or 7. Cause I like garlic. Yeah, me love the flavor of garlic. Me just love garlic, yeah. You don't have to put so much in your own. I just saw me put enough garlic in my own. Okay, so me I gotta add some vegetables to mine. You don't have to add it in your own. Me like my pot look colorful and nice, and I love vegetable. So some broccoli, some cauliflower, some carrot, you name it. So right now, make sure you put the pot for hot. So when the pot hot, you just add about 2 spoons of oil. You can use coconut oil or whatever oil you use, just to coat the pot. Don't really want a whole heap of oil. Yeah, me not really like the oil is something there. So just to coat your pot and for burn the curry. I'm gonna add like a piece of butter too, just to the flavor. I like butter. So guys, you know long I have the pot here. I already rub off. No sir. Me love it bad. Who did buy me that pot there? Somebody did buy me that pot there. Can't remember who right now still, but me like it. I love cooking it. You can know say get woolly revolt. The red not so bright again like one time. Yeah, so we just gonna add a piece of butter to that. So once your butter and oil is heated, you're gonna just saute some garlic before you add in the curry. And guys, may I use the better pack curry. So it's either me use the better pack curry or sometimes I just mix the better pack with some Indian curry. Me have this Indian lady where I buy curry from another market, in a Linseed market. Anybody from Linseed will buy curry, we know the lady there. Nice lady. She may buy my curry and my masala and them things are from. So I'm just gonna add some garlic. Yeah, that's way release the flavors in your oil, and you know the thing. All of the cook them know me I do right just saying. What do I call this? Saute. Yeah, just about a bun up the garlic. Once it's get one nice little brownish color, you know it's your time for dashing in the curry. I'm gonna add some thyme as well. Let me just start release the flavors. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna do this. So if you did have a scotchy, you could have dropped the scotch in the pot, but me now buy no scotch bonnet pepper too dear right now pepper luxury. That's why I thank God for the cayenne pepper and like a black pepper. We can't afford pepper right now in Jamaica, too dear. I love pepper but not so. Okay, so time for burn the curry now, so I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, you know, it's good for measure sometime. You know, Jamaican people don't really like measure still, you know, but yeah, for just go on an idea, that's why I kind of try use the measurement. Can I just dash and fling in a pot? I don't really to measure, you get me? But yeah, sometimes it's good for measure, especially if you try cook and you want it always have the accurate taste there. Yeah, measurement, that's how measurement come in, like, you know, in a restaurant. Yeah, measurement is key. Yeah, so I'm just go and toast the curry, and you don't want the curry to just burn up, you know. So you just add a little tubs of water, not a lot, just to make sure say it now burn up. So it's a fry cook. You know that thing there, yeah, it's a fry cook. Okay, so now it's time to add the coconut milk. And again, I'm using just 1 pack of the grease. So I'm just mix it out in the water. So yeah, you just gotta add your coconut milk and make it go on simmer down. Okay, so a time for you just dash in all your season them when you cut up previous to the onion, the garlic, the scallion, and the thyme. Yeah, just dash everything in the pot now and give it a nice little stir. You don't want it not stick to your pot. Yeah, that's why I stir like that. So this I'm gonna throw in all of the coconut milk and just make it go on cook for about 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes. You want the coconut milk, well cook down to gravy. Yeah, it's similar to when you had a rundown. Marat, me see the pot start smell up the place already, guys. So yeah, me just gonna add like about half tablespoon more of the little blem up season, which is all-purpose Maggi with little bit of Maggi jerk and some what I want the name, me can't remember. The one I always use, celery, right? Some celery. Okay guys, so I'm gonna kind of leave back a little bit of the coconut milk. So I'm just gonna add like less than a tablespoon of the cornstarch. Yeah, just to help thicken the pot. So just set that aside. You could mix it out with some water if you want, but yeah, knowing me, just left back like the coconut milk. Yeah, that would do the trick. So after about 15 or so to 20 minutes, you know what time for we add in the seasoned shrimp. So you know this is the uncooked shrimp, so you can get enough time to cook down in the gravy and just suck up all of that nice curry flavor there. That's why I like use the uncooked shrimp, because you know if the other shrimp will cook already, as you dash it in the pot 5 minutes time you have to go lock it off, you get me? So yeah, I like to use the uncooked for this, guys. Yeah. So now we are gonna add in the vegetables. So yeah, the vegetable and the shrimp basically are going same time, because you know them not gonna take a long time for cook. So just make sure you just mixing everything nicely. Yeah, just careful not to like spill and nasty up the place. You know how curry stay. You know how curry stay bad. Stain anyway touch. Yes, I'm just gonna add in the cornstarch mixture now and just get about 5 minutes, and yeah, we're ready for eat shrimp. Side man, you know him a lay wait the pot and you soon hear my phone a ring. I ask if the food not ready yet. So guys, I will only like eat curry shrimp with, if you like curry shrimp or you like eat it with white rice, some mashed potato, some nice dumpling. Wow, what you like eat it with? Me personally, me kind of like it with some nice, yeah, some nice jasmine rice. Yeah, nice rice. Me don't really like my rice too shelly, guys. Me kind of like my rice in between sawfish. Yeah, not shelly. Me don't really love my rice too tough. So that me I go eat my one with. Yeah, so the pot basically ready. So I'm just gonna be adding just a little pinch of salt, not a lot, just to bring up the flavor, and we're good to go. So yeah, pot the pan, the stove the pan really low. So yeah, it basically cook already, guys. So yeah, but just a gear up for share out mine. Yeah, kind of man now come here come down before me, you know, easy. And me cook it, and me first I eat some. Yes guys, so not many people really do this, but just half teaspoon of ketchup will do the trick. Trust me pan that. But I come talk about cringe like tomato ketchup in a curry. What that? No salmon I'm that well. One little tubes in it, and yes, stove ready for lock off. Yes, that are the secret ingredient. Okay guys, so the shrimp is ready, so stove lock off. I'm just adding some chopped finely chopped scallion just for garnish. Yeah, and I like the taste of it. So that's basically it. The curry ready guys. Wanna plate? Wanna plate? Yes people, the boat land. Yes, the boat land. Yes, I'm gonna share out a little bit of rice, some lettuce, and a nice piece of dry sweet potato. Sweet potato nice. $350 a pound for sweet potato in a Linstead market guys. But you me love sweet potato. Me say yeah, me buy 1-2 pound. Yes guys, so watch nice curry I share out in a good plate. Don't bad mind me. Yeah, to all me love curry and to all me love shrimp, I coulda never wait till this cold. Me have to eat my dinner as this land. My favorite dish, this curry shrimp. Well, anything curry shrimp, curry chicken foot. Yeah. Smell nice. Yeah people, now care you are dead for hungry, you have to give thanks. Yeah, you have to big up God every time. Right through. Yes, time for taste the curry. Yeah. So guys, me bumbo all know me tongue scotch up. Me know say I saw this sitting hot. Jesus Christ, me think it cool. Mighty God. I don't know whether I spit it out, swallow it. Me just no sir. Plus it pepper. Jesus Christ. Pepper plus hot. Do the maths, but it nice. No sign nice. I like it guys. It really tastes good. Oh, people finna name curry shrimp. Something wrong with you know. Yeah guys, so big up all of my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah people, make sure now press up the like button, you know guys. Please press the like button for me please, and thanks. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can get a notification anytime I post a video. Yeah,